What you're seeing right now is not a real movie. There's no camera, no crew, no actors, just a couple of line of text and a tool called View 3. And the best part, you can use it right now for free to generate stunning cinematic clips in just minutes. So I've been editing videos for over a couple of years, and this is the easiest way I have ever seen to create beautiful footage without lifting a single camera. In this video, I'll show you how to use View 3 from scratch, how to access it with pro level props, and export your first cinematic scene in under 7 minutes. So let's jump in. First things first, let's get you in. Come head over to this website. I'll provide the link in the description. This is where Veo Live lives under Google DeepMind. And you will see two options, try with Gemini and try with Flow. Simply click on this one and create with Flow. I've already created these videos. So you will get access through a tool called Video FX under Google Lab. That's where all the prompts happens. So step number 2 is pro level prompting. This is where most people mess up. They don't know how to prompt. Just imagine if you write sunset in the mountains. Sure, it will give you something, but it will not be cinematic. Here's how I write prompts that look like Hollywood clips. Use short types, camera movements, mood, and light preferences. Like, let me give you a few that work really well. So you can see this prompt. It says handheld shot of a soldier walking through foggy ruins, dramatic lighting, lens flares over the shoulder, perspective inspired by Saving Private Ryan. Now click on the generate and wait for these results. So as you can see, the video is generated. Now see what it has made. So as you can see, it has generated the video and you won't see anything that will not tell you that it's not a cinematic video. No one will even believe it's made with AI. However, you'll have to be good at prompting. And don't worry, I'll show you some more examples. Here's the second prompt. So let me explain you a bit about the prompt. As you can see, I have written the prompt smooth tracking shot of a lone samurai walking through cherry blossoms at dusk, shallow depth of field, warm lighting, 4K film grains. Now, let me tell you something. If you just write samurai walking through cherry blossom, that's it. It will not give you the video you want, the cinematic look you want. You have to be specific. Like as you can see, track shot will be smooth. I have already mentioned that. It will be a lone samurai and he is walking through the cherry blossom at dusk. I have also mentioned the weather. I have also mentioned the time. Shallow depth of field. Also the depth of field. Lighting is very important for video. Warm lighting. Lighting will be a little bit warm. And also last one which I have mentioned is this, that 4K film grain, which is, a subtle cinematic effect, but it changes the mood, it changes the vibe totally. As you can see, it has generated me this. Let's see. So as you can see, it has generated the video. You'll have to be specific like this. You'll have to be as specific as possible while prompting. You can make a very big prompt. That will be fine. And don't worry, I'll also show you big and explain detailed prompt. And here's another prompt. So now let me explain to you about this. A wide aerial drone shot. Simply capture this. A wide aerial drone shot. It will be a drone shot and it will be wide as possible of a sprawling futuristic city at night. It will be futuristic city in the night, inspired by Blade Runner or Cyberpunk 2077. As you can see, I have also gave them a simple reference. It will be like that. Neon signs in the pink, blue, and purple reflect off with as asphalt roads. As you can see, another reference, asphalt roads as rain gently falls in slow motion. Skyscraper covered in holograms and giant LED screens light up the foggy skyline. As you can see, that's how specific you will have to be to make the full video pop. And by the way, if you don't want to write this whole prompt in your own hand, you can simply go to ChatGPT and write there what type of prompt you want, what type of video you want to generate, and it will generate. Then you can simply use this. So now let's see the video. As you can see, it has made this cool neon punk city type video. And here's the thing: the more cinematic language you use, the better your results will be. Think like a director, not like a search bar. And after that, you can tweak as much as you want. Just simply if you want to change the color of this video, simply tweak here. You can simply tweak from here, and if you want to refine the video a little bit more, simply change the prompt and it will be refined. Once you type your prompt into VA3, hit generate, and within 1 to 2 minutes. Mhm. So you can remix the clip to change pacing or camera angle, adjust length or aspect ratio as much as you like. After that, simply click on this download button and you can use these clips in short films, YouTube intros, music videos, social media, B-roll for client projects. Just, just check usage rights if you are going commercial. But for creators, this is an absolute game changer. Whether you're a solo creator or building a brand, VOC will save you hours, boost your visuals, and unlock crazy creative freedom. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, because next week I'm testing view, and drop your best bio prompt idea in the comments. I'll pick one and turn it into a cinematic shot in the next video. See you in the next one.